If you keep forgetting to drink water, let's see how to set a quick drink water reminder without any third-party app or alarm on your Galaxy Watch 8, so staying hydrated gets a lot easier. First, let's add a drink water tile to your watch so you can access the option more easily. Swipe left your watch face. Keep swiping left till you find the Add Tiles option. Tap on it. Scroll down and then find and tap over the nutrition icon. Scroll down and find water. Just tap on it to add to the tiles. Press a couple of times on the back buttons on your watch to apply the tile. To set a target, tap on the water option and you can swipe up to set a target. Just so you know that the unit is milliliter, so if you want to drink 2 liters of water, you gotta set a target of 2000 milliliter, and so on. Press done to save it, and then set a cup size from this available list of sizes, or you can enter your own custom glass size that you drink water from. After that, your task is whenever you drink a glass of water, come here and tap on this plus sign to add that data. But how do you set a drink water reminder? For that, you need to scroll down and tap on Show on Phone. Because you cannot set the reminder from your watch, alright, you will be redirected to the water section of the Samsung Health app on your synced device. All you gotta do is tap on this 3 dot, then tap on the Set Target. And there it is. Just toggle on the Get Reminders to Drink Water option and then select the days of the week to get reminder. Select the total time duration for which your reminders will show up. Finally, choose the interval for how often the reminder will pop up on your watch screen, and you can go with the preset time options or you can set a custom one according to your comfort and needs. And that's it. After each interval, you'll get a drink water reminder notification on your watch 8 to get hydrated. That's it for today. Stay healthy and hydrated.